Get ready to meet the fruity gang, a bunch of sweet, juicy pals that bring a burst of deliciousness to your snacks and desserts.
Dragon fruit magical hue, a taste adventure just for you. Strawberry sweets, a berry delight that can't be beat. Mango cheer, fruity fun for kids to hold near. Orange zest, the citrus best, juicy joy for every little guest. Apple crunch, snack time bunch, kids delight in every munch. Pear pleasure, sweetness to treasure, nature's snack time measure. Avocado hug, creamy snack for the little bug. Pineapple fun, juicy run, a taste of tropics for everyone. Green apple grin, crispy crunch, a kid's win. Blueberry glee, little berries bursting with giggly glee. A cherry cheer, little pops of joy for kids to hold dear. Grapevine fun, little bites of joy under the sun. Kiwi delight, tiny and bright, nature's treat for every kid's flight. Lychee lure, sweetness pure, a tropical treat for kids to adore. Papaya paradise, a juicy surprise, kids delight in every bite. Pomegranate passion, a burst of joy in every fashion. Watermelon splash, summer's delight in every refreshing dash.
Say hello to vegetables of every color, the tasty, colorful friends that make your meals super yummy.
Pumpkin perk, orange smirk, autumn's treat for kids to lurk. Capsicum charm, colorful heat, veggie fiesta for every little seat. Onion ovation, layers of flavor, nature's tearful tingle kids savor. Lemon zest, sunshine best, tangy twist for kids' zesty quest. Garlic glow, flavorful flow, nature's pizzazz in every little clove. Turnip triumph, soil's secret gem, crispy crunch for every stem. Tomato tango, ripe and red, veggie love on every kid's spread. Potato parade, earthy charm in every spud-made star. Green chili zing, spicy spring, a kick of flavor for every little swing. Red chili heat, tiny spice treat, a flavor burst kids can't beat. Carrot crunch, orange bunch, nature's snack for a healthy munch. Eggplant elegance, purple hues, veggie delight for little crews. Green onion grace, fresh and crisp, nature's garnish for every kid's dish. Cabbage crunch, leafy lunch, veggie goodness kids love a bunch. Mushroom marvel, earthy delight, nature's fungi feast for kids bite. Acelga bliss, leafy green kiss, nature's nutrient hug for every dish. Broccoli bloom, green and lean, veggie power for every little bean. Pea pops, tiny green drops, nature's snack for kids' delightful hops. Cauliflower charm, white delight, nature's veggie cloud for kids to excite. Cucumber cool, crisp and green, nature's refresh for kids to gleam. Tomato tango, ripe and red, veggie love on every kid's spread. Corn carnival, golden grains galore, nature's sweet pop for kids to adore.